Hey everybody, Editor Jake here. You'll notice that this is an abnormally long video, typically longer than what you'll see from my other videos, and that's because I actually had to film this twice. The first time, things didn't go so well, and I had to refilm everything. So if you want to see the video where I make the proper batch, go ahead and skip to this timestamp. Otherwise, you can just keep watching and see the failed process and then watch the proper process. But that's enough yapping. Let's go ahead and go to the video.
Rolling.
All right, we are back in the kitchen. And right now we have some oranges that we got. We got some plastic bags. You're supposed to pick up some plastic bags. Now, if we're doing this real jailhouse style, we get in a toilet, but the toilet here is out of commission. So we are going to use a plastic bag. See, the science behind this jailhouse wine is allegedly the skin from the oranges has yeast in them. We're gonna find out. So this is either gonna be really, really expired orange juice, or it's gonna be aged fine wine. Here at Jake and Kyle, 3 Michelin star restaurant, we strive for perfection. We're gonna be making the best. Oh, there's a hair on this. There's been a lot of hairs on a lot of things that I've been eating recently. I don't know why I tossed in that fun fact. Now, you're gonna put your oranges in a sealed Ziploc bag, all right? You're gonna find something to beat the ever-living. We're gonna do this old prison school style, all right? So let's say your buddy Ricky from cell B owes you money. What do? You tell him to put his teeth on the curb, and you curb stomp him. These oranges are gonna be Ricky today.
Don't do it on there.
Oh goodness, why is it red? Oh, it's red. Yeah, no, that's a crime scene right there.
Why didn't you just go outside and smack it against the pavement a lot?
See, we're getting a little juice on the bottom there. Make sure it's all mashed really well, okay? I don't like how it's red. Double bag it, double wrap it before you tap it.
Don't do that. That tough condoms break.
Yeah, don't come to Jake and Kyle for sex advice. Come here for our food.
Oh, we've been rolling.
After you beat Steve from Cell B, is that his name?
It was Ricky.
Ricky? Nah. It couldn't have been Slick Ricky. Slick Ricky never.
No, the fake Ricky.
Oh, yeah. After you beat Ricky's face off, and you get a bag like this. You're gonna want to add some water to it. So as you can see, not a lot of. Ooh, there's still some air in there. It's gonna be pregnant tomorrow. All right.
Please tell me you're not doing that to the food again, chef.
Huh? And as with wine, you just gotta let it sit. So we're gonna let it sit for a little bit. Welcome back to Cooking with Jake and Kyle. So we had a little kerfuffle with our original batch. It did not turn out too well. So we are remaking it, this time with proper equipment. We got a jug right here. We got whatever the hell this is. And we got proper yeast. And this time we're not using blood oranges. We're using whatever these are from Kroger. So, first things first, what I think I did wrong was I think that there was so much cross-contamination that it was just bound to mold. So this time we have to disinfect things. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna boil some water. Yep. You gotta find the lid. That works. Okay guys, now that we got this water boiling to a boil, we have no funnel. So a lot of this water is gonna go to waste. But that's fine.
Are you gonna try and pour it without a funnel?
Yep.
On the glassware?
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna shatter.
No, it's not.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh my god.
So we got this thing in the sink. We're disinfecting this jug right now because it's dirty.
Okay.
It's all on the wrist, chef. Come on. I should have gone to Juilliard.
Is this hot? Is this warm? Ooh, yeah, that's real warm. We're gonna let that disinfect. But while we're letting that disinfect, let's go ahead and start on our actual process here. So what you're gonna wanna do, while the pot is still warm,
Chef's getting hit with Chef Mencha.
Chef Mencha is a real thing. After you've been in the industry for as long as I have, you start to develop it.
But they don't get paid as well.
We went to Kroger. Oh, okay.
Not the one that you touched.
This is good stuff.
Mm.
I don't know what kind of fruits these are.
Mandarin oranges.
Oh, they are mandarin. Okay. This pot, you're gonna dump that thing into it.
What, you gonna do the dog?
Dump it into it.
There's a lid.
There's a lid on here.
Chef Mencha's hitting hard, folks. Don't
All
worry
right.
though. We'll be able to afford treatment once we hit 4 stars.
There's no such thing as a 4 Michelin star restaurant. So you can
It's
only go up to
just-
3 stars. I swear, sous chef.
Did they change the rating system after my meth bender?
All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna squish these, get the juices out of them. You're gonna wanna get it real mushed up. Yep, see all that mushiness?
No.
We're mushing up these oranges. Y'all got like a potato masher?
Chef, just use your fists.
Yeah,
You didn't get gloves or nothing, dog?
I'm not touching any of this with my hands. Fuck it, I'll use my hands. Dude, my hands are gonna smell like oranges after this. Who needs potato mashers when you got your good old fists? These are my potato mashers right here. God.
Like high school all over again.
What? What is that? Why are you looking like that?
Really work your thumb in there.
Yep, like I'm massaging these oranges. Look at this, watch this. Ooh. Hear that? Hear that? Listen, just give that a listen. That is a sound of pure orange juice. And that is what you want on creating Jake and Kyle's famous 3 Michelin star wine that we are known for.
Now with a little bit of Jake in every bottle.
Yeah, it's always a little bit of Jake in every bottle.
Well, I'm talking about skin cells.
Whoa,
I don't know
whoa.
what you've been putting in it.
I didn't mean to say that. Oh, God. So after you get this like concentrated juice, orange juice right here, we have a 1 gallon jug. I had to fill the jug as much as I can. We got some good stuff to work with, but we're just gonna add a little bit of water. Boil this. We want it boiled because remember, reason why our jailhouse wine failed is because we didn't disinfect anything.
Yeah. Next time we should wash our hands.
All right. Okay.
And we're a trio, so it makes more sense.
So we're gonna mix this up.
We be,
Woo! I don't know if that's a good smell or a bad smell, but it's a smell, all right. Okay, moment of truth.
In the he's not in the scouts, he's in the regular man.
Chef, stop being a little weenie boy and get your hands in there.
Wait, hang on. I have emergency chopsticks here. Where's my emergency chopsticks? All right, guys, I keep chopsticks at this house for when I make ramen.
I want to be as close as possible. I found this costume for a week that was like $200. I was
All right, look. This funnel, it worked for a little bit, and then it didn't. Oh yeah, look at that juice. Look at that juice. That's some good ass juice. Yeah, that's not a lot of wine. This wine is quality, right?
It does have a quality, Chef.
A very good quality, right? Okay, I think that's the most we're gonna get out of it. We're gonna get the paper towel. We're gonna wipe off the lip. Oh, where's your sugar?
this one.
That's flour. Cornmeal mix.
Chef,
What?
surely you know it's that yellow tube.
Yes. This is yes. Yes, I do.
was just testing us.
Chef is always testing his sous chef.
Yeah.
So here's the science behind this, guys. That's not a lot of alcohol, but god dang, this bottle is hot.
Bro's making mead.
The science behind it is that the sugar is going to feed the yeast. Boom. All right, we pour the yeast in there. I'm gonna do something a little risky here. Dude, this thing is super hot.
How hot is that bottle?
Most of the time,
Very.
Don't put water in it.
Too late.
And the bottle's still hot.
What's that white stuff? That's the yeast.
That's sugar and yeast.
Oh, okay.
That's a little bit of Jake and everybody.
Okay, after that, one last thing, y'all. Oh my God, what is that white stuff in there? What is that white stuff in there?
That's the yeast. It's the
Yeah, that's
yeast.
the
Okay,
yeast.
that's a little bit of Jake and everybody. Okay, we gotta mix this.
Oh,
Yeah.
I wouldn't go crazy. You don't want to kill the yeast.
Yeah, yesterday we went
Yeast
and-
can die?
Yes.
And we're
If
like,
it's in too hot of a liquid, it can die.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna boil some water. Okay guys, now that we got this water boiling to a boil. Is this hot? Is this warm? Ooh, yeah, that's real warm. Boil this, we want it boiled. God dang, this bottle is hot. Dude, this thing is super hot.
How hot is that bottle?
Most of the time,
Very.
And the bottle's still hot.
What can die?
Yeast.
He doesn't know what he's doing.
I
No.
do know what I'm doing. I'm the goddamn head chef of a 3 Michelin star restaurant. Oh yeah, you gotta get that rhythm. You gotta get that rhythm. Seal this,
Jelly's ready for you to start taking.
and now we're gonna let this sit.
And we'll check back when it's done.
Look at how majestic this thing looks. Look at how majestic this thing looks. Look at that. Oh my God. It's been cold, so we went through a little cold weather spell, so there's not a lot of homeless people out and about. I was gonna get a homeless person to drink this for me first, but yeah, I can't find any. So we have the we have this, and I'm gonna drink it, I guess. So, oh God. There's a little bit right there. Okay. Okay. Here we go. God, I feel so bad. I was gonna give a homeless person that. Sous chef, you want to try? Yep, there we go. So we got the sous chef looking like the Terminator. Right here.
Are you on?
Got it.
No, it's fine. Every good chef is a bit racist.
I'm not racist. Are you racist?
I'm a good chef, aren't I?
Oh my God.
No.
So.
Even line cooks get chef mentia.
It smells sweet in here. Is that you?
Oh.
Or is that me? Or
What? Oh.
Hey, here at the Jake and Kyle's cooking restaurant, we like to show you the real deal, the nitty gritty of what goes behind in the kitchen when we're making your food, all right?
Chef, thank God you washed your hands.
Uh-oh, who texted?
Just now,
It's
but
Devin.
it's
Jake
gonna be
Scoobers.
more like
Jake
4
Scoobers.
Since he started.
What you doing, Jake?
I'm making wine. Who the heck is calling me?
But I think
But it's Kylie. It's Kylie. Hey, Kylie. Kylie, I am making a YouTube video right now. Do you want to say hi to the YouTube?
No, not really. You got some stickers?
Wait, there's no actual fucking sugar in
He
here.
literally just ripped it off and no.
Did
you need actual sugar?
Yeah.
I'm not liking slowly and slowly when it's been like peeling off.
Yeah,
Go.
Your OCD bothers me.
All right, gang.
I got
We're back.
switch
Okay,
it
so
up. Fresh
look,
one.
we
why
did
don't-
not
why don't
we
you-
did not have a funnel.
We don't care.
So
why
I made
don't
this
you-
contraption. Improvise, adapt, overcome. What's an engineering degree for, huh? Other than to make
Yeah.
makeshift funnels while cooking.
4
So,
years of college just to become a chef.
I'm gonna be so real with you. I don't think my fuck ass funnel is gonna work.
We don't cuss here, chef.
Right,
Yeah, I don't know why you're putting the fruit in the bowl.
wait, am I not supposed to? Wait, yes I am.
Chef, you gotta stop that with the bottles.
What? No, not in that way, but like, I'm not attracted to bottles.
We've had a few complaints from the health department, Chef.
Aw, man, we're gonna miss Jake's birthday.
Billy, you got anything in your fridge?
Okay, this sous chef just walked in the out.
I don't play by the rules.
All right, sous chef, so go ahead and take us through what you're thinking here.
And now we're here in the sugar aisle.
Yep.
And I've been told by our illustrious Grandmaster Chef that we don't actually need pure sugar. Sweet and low will work. We want a 3-star Michelin restaurant here at Jake and Kyle's, and I'm not gonna lie, we're making prison wine, and it doesn't get more prisoner than this. But they gotta listen to the fucking chef. We can't cuss on this channel for some reason. So here's the sweet and low. Take it to the chef. We're gonna see what happens.
Guys, look at the wild chickens. These chickens just exist here. Hey guys, what's up? Okay. All right, sous chef, go ahead and tell us what you're thinking.
The next part of a good jailhouse wine is the fruit. What are they gonna eat? What is the yeast gonna devour to really get that flavor going? We're thinking oranges. We're putting oranges in this thing. I don't know why. I'm not the chef. I'll never be the chef. And that's
right.
okay. I've got no resentment, no feelings. Whatever, let's go.
So fucking. I don't know if I can feel.
Ready to go?
I've already started rolling.
All right, okay, we are back in the
Back
kitchen.
to Blackbeard.
Rolling.
We are back in the kitchen.
And cut.
We are going to...
Rolling.
All right, start over for real.
All right.
Rolling. 3 taste.